how to turn on screenshots on my live on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on screenshots on my live on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app, click these three lines at the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find privacy, and then just scroll down until you find this one, allow screenshots. All you need to do is just, you will find it like that, and then just click here and you can turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.